ثم أنشأنا من بعدهم قرنا آخرين.
Then after them we brought forth another generation.
فأرسلنا فيهم رسولا منهم أن اعبدوا الله ما لكم من إله غيره أفلا تتقون.
And we sent among them a messenger from among themselves, saying, Serve Allah, you have no God other than He. Do you have no fear?
وقال الملأ من قومه الذين كفروا وكذبوا بلقاء الآخرة وأترفناهم في الحياة الدنيا ما هذا إلا بشر مثلكم يأكل مما تأكلون منه ويشرب مما تشربون.
The notables among his people who had refused to believe and who denied the meeting of the hereafter, and those whom we had endowed with ease and comfort in this life, cried out, This is no other than a mortal like yourselves, who eats what you eat and drinks what you drink.
وَلَئِنْ أَطَعْتُمْ بَشَرًا مِثْلَكُمْ إِنَّكُمْ إِذًا لَخَاسِرُونَ.
If you were to obey a human being like yourselves, you will certainly be losers.
أَيَعِدُكُمْ أَنَّكُمْ إِذَا مِتُّمْ وَكُنْتُمْ تُرَابًا وَعِظَامًا أَنَّكُمْ مُخْرَجُونَ.
Does he promise you that when you are dead and are reduced to dust and bones, you will be brought forth to life?
هَيْهَاتَ هَيْهَاتَ لِمَا تُوعَدُونَ.
Far-fetched, utterly far-fetched is what you are being promised.
إِنْ هِيَ إِلَّا حَيَاتُنَا الدُّنْيَا نَمُوتُ وَنَحْيَا وَمَا نَحْنُ بِمَبْعُوثِينَ.
There is no other life than the life of the world. We shall live here, and here shall we die, and we are not going to be raised again.
إِنْ هُوَ إِلَّا رَجُلٌ افْتَرَى عَلَى اللَّهِ كَذِبًا وَمَا نَحْنُ لَهُ بِمُؤْمِنِينَ.
This man has forged a mere lie in the name of Allah, and we shall never believe what he says.
قَالَ رَبِّ انصُرْنِي بِمَا كَذَّبُونَ.
The messenger said, My Lord, come to my help at their accusing me of lying.
قَالَ عَمَّا قَلِيلٍ لَيُصْبِحُنَّ نَادِمِينَ.
He answered, A short while, and they shall be repenting.
فأخذتهم الصيحة بالحق فجعلناهم غثاء فبعدا للقوم الظالمين.
Then a mighty blast quite justly overtook them, and we reduced them to a rubble. So away with the wrongdoing folk.
ثم أنشأنا من بعدهم قرونا آخرين.
Then after them we brought forth other generations.
ما تسبق من أمة أجلها وما يستأخرون.
No nation can outstrip its term, nor can it put it back.
ثم أرسلنا رسلنا تترى كلما جاء أمة رسولها كذبوه فأتبعنا بعضهم بعضا وجعلناهم أحاديث فبعدا لقوم لا يؤمنون.
Then we sent our messengers in succession. Whenever a messenger came to his people, they rejected him, calling him a liar. Thereupon we made each people to follow the other to its doom, reducing them to mere tales of the past. Scourged be the people who do not believe.
ثم أرسلنا موسى وأخاه هارون بآياتنا وسلطان مبين.
Then we sent Moses and his brother Aaron with our signs and a clear authority
إلى فرعون وملئه فاستكبروا وكانوا قوما عالين.
to Pharaoh and to his chiefs, but they behaved superciliously and they were haughty.
فقالوا أنؤمن لبشرين مثلنا وقومهما لنا عابدون.
They said, shall we put faith in two mortals like ourselves when their people are slaves to us?
فكذبوهما فكانوا من المهلكين.
So they rejected them, calling them liars, and they too eventually became of those that were destroyed.
ولقد آتينا موسى الكتاب لعلهم يهتدون.
And we gave Moses the book, that people might be guided by it.
وجعلنا ابن مريم وأمه آية وآويناهما إلى ربوة ذات قرار ومعين.
And we made Mary's son and his mother a sign, and we gave them refuge on a lofty ground, a peaceful site with springs flowing in it.
يا أيها الرسل كلوا من الطيبات واعملوا صالحا إني بما تعملون عليم.
Messengers, partake of the things that are clean and act righteously. I know well all that you do.
وإن هذه أمتكم أمة واحدة وأنا ربكم فاتقون.
This community of yours is one community, and I am your Lord, so hold me alone in fear.
فتقطعوا أمرهم بينهم زبرا كل حزب بما لديهم فرحون.
But people later cut up their religion into bits, each group rejoicing in what they have.
فذرهم في غمرتهم حتى حين.
So leave them immersed in their heedlessness till an appointed time.
أيحسبون أن ما نمدهم به من مال وبنين.
Do they fancy that our continuing to give them wealth and children means that
نسارع لهم في الخيرات بل لا يشعرون.
we are busy lavishing on them all kinds of good? Nay, they do not perceive the reality of the matter.
إن الذين هم من خشية ربهم مشفقون.
Surely those who stand in awe for fear of their Lord,
والذين هم بآيات ربهم يؤمنون.
who have full faith in the signs of their Lord,
والذين هم بربهم لا يشركون.
who associate none with their Lord in His divinity,
والذين يؤتون ما آتوا وقلوبهم وجلة أنهم إلى ربهم راجعون.
give whatever they give in charity, with their hearts trembling at the thought that they are destined to return to their Lord.